Hello, and thank you for joining us today. We are going to show you how to create an account-based marketing list using the Ramped Up tool and the individuals that work and can purchase the products and services from your account-based marketing list. So the process is pretty simple. Simply find the companies that fit your ideal customer profile. Now we can help you do that, but if you've already done this exercise, find those companies and get the website for them. Then go to the Ramped Up platform, go to the Companies tab, and then click the Import button inside the Companies tab. Choose that file and upload that file into the system as such, right? Take those websites, make sure it's a CSV because that's how it works in our system, and then upload them into the system, right? Once you've done that, it will populate inside the company web address box. Then go to the job criteria field and find the individuals or the people who can work at these companies that can buy your solution. So the titles that are generally the decision makers. So here's our drop down menu. You can find, whether it's a vice president or a C-level, right? Using our drop down menu for job levels and using our drop down menu for job functions, right? In this instance, finance, IT, or whatnot, and click the search button, right? And in this instance, what you'll see are all the individuals, right, that fit the titles that are the buyers at the companies that you've identified as your account-based marketing ideal accounts. The process is very simple. And once you're ready for that, you click export, say, well, how many of these records would I like? And validate those email addresses and get those records out of the system. And voila, there you have the titles that work at the accounts that look most like your ideal customer. Thank you very much.